Welcome to Om Academy. In today's video, we are going to customize our terminal emulator in Linux desktop environment. Why we need customization for our terminal? Every individual has its own preferences when he or she works on a system. Some prefer dark working environment and some prefer light or different working environment. Let us directly go to the terminal window in Ubuntu. Click on Activities, type Terminal. It will open the terminal application in our desktop environment. Let us increase some font size. To customize the terminal application, we have to alter its default profile. Click on Edit, Preferences. As we can see that the default profile has been set to Profile Tux. To create a new profile, click on plus and type the new profile name as Om Profile. Click on Create. As we can see that the Om profile has been created. This is our new profile. We can now change its setting. The first tab is Text. In this tab, we can alter the text based setting for our terminal application. As we can see that the custom font has been set to monospace regular 12 font size. We can change this setting by enabling this checkbox. Change the size to 16 and change font type to Deja Vu Sans. Select these font and custom font has been set. And in the color tab, we can change the color setting of this profile. By default, the built-in scheme has been applied to Tango Dark. We can change this built-in scheme by disabling this checkbox, and we can change this to green on black. First, let us observe these settings in our terminal application. To check this, we have to set this profile as a default profile. Click on Om Profile, set it to default, close the window, close the terminal application. Again open the Control plus Alt plus T to open the terminal window, which is the default shortcut for terminal application in Ubuntu. Increase the font size. As we can see that the blinking cursor is green. Let us try one Linux command ls-l and we can see that all text will be appearing in green color. We can see that the built-in scheme green on black has been applied successfully. Let us create another profile. Edit, Preferences, plus name the profile as Om Profile 2. Create the profile. In the title bar, we can see that Om Profile 2 has been created. In the text tab, change custom font to monospace bold and font size increase to 14. Select. In the color tab, change the built-in scheme to black on light yellow, and let us do one more change in third tab. As we can see that there is a scroll bar in our terminal application, we can disable this scroll bar in this new profile Om Profile 2. Now set this Om profile as a default profile. Close the window, close the application. again open the terminal application, we can see that the new profile has been applied to our terminal application. We can again run the Linux command as ls-l, and we can see that the black text has been appearing on white background. We can switch between the profile by clicking terminal, change profile to home profile, and the profile has been changed to our first profile. We can change profile to our home profile too, or we can change our profile to default profile, which was recording profile text. As you can see that there are various customization we can do on our terminal application. In this way we can customize our terminal application window in Ubuntu environment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.